My name is Urmila Nivangune and today's topic is public static void main or we can say main method. When we write a Java program, that program is in the form of high level language or we can say source code. In order to proceed that code in, or in order to get output, the Java program goes through two translators, that is compiler and interpreter. In order to get into the classes, compiler finds main method. As Java is object oriented language, in order to write any Java program, we have to write one class, and that class contains members, member functions, member variables, etc. And for accessing that variables and function, or we can say methods, we need to create object, and by using that object name we just call them in the main method. Main method is entry point, uh, and main method is used to enter into the program. Main method is static, and every program contains at least one method, that is main method. As main method is static, it get called by compiler directly, that means without creating any object. Main method is also public because public is access specifier, and we can call public methods outside from outside the classes or outside the packages. Syntax of main method is first access specifier, then a static keyword. Static keyword is direct access, and then return type, and then name of method, and in bracket parameters. So every Java's main method should be as follows: public static void main, in brackets string, array and arguments. Public is a access specifier, and we use public access specifier because uh, public methods get access by all the programs outside the classes, outside the packages as well. Then static is a keyword. By using main method is always static because in order to call that main method we don't need to create any object. Then return type, always main method's return type should be void because it main method does not return any type like int, float, etc. Then name of method is also fixed, that is main, and main first letter m is always in small or lower case. It is a notation to write main method, and then in brackets string, array and arguments. Thank you.